Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. This video is especially for those who are soon to be a bride. I am showing here few ultimate metal glass combination bangle set. So if you are about to attend some wedding reception program, then you must watch this video till end, cause here you may get a firm idea about the glass metal combo set without chudas. So it will not look heavy as well, but at the same time it will give you a traditional ethnic look. Whether you wear a salwar kameez, lehenga or sari, you can try them with any traditional attire. So please continue watching the video till the end, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.